Introducing the Jollylook Instant Film Bag for Bronica ETR series. Here's how to use it. First, mount the bag directly onto the camera body. Next, load your Instax Mini film pack. Turn the knob to eject the protective film cover. Then, remove the dark slide. Compose your shot, focus, and press the shutter. Smoothly spin the development knob to extract your photo. In about 2 minutes, your image will fully develop. When you're done shooting, reinsert the dark slide to protect the remaining film. You can now remove your instant bag if you want. Shoot, develop, enjoy with Jollylook.